And I'm stuck in the mid-segment with you. Yes, we are talking mid-segment. Oh, we have one tick and one tick. What does that tell us? It tells us that EU is the same length as UF, and two tick, yes, tells us that EV is the same length as VD. And when we split this, oh my goodness, in the middle, and in the middle, we now have our mid-segment represented by 5. Now, the outside or the base is simply double the inside or our mid-segment. So 5 times 2 is, yes, 10. Now let's just show that as if we were doing algebra. Our outside or our base, we will symbolize with the x. And we will simply do x equals, yes, 2 times, what's on the inside, or our mid-segment, thank you, is 5. All right, anytime I distribute, you will see me using pink. 2 times 5, we will simply rewrite x equals 10. And do I ever expect you to write this? No. Do I want you to have the background knowledge? Yes. Let's move forward to the next one. Okay, whoa, we have the base. We know that the mid-segment is half of the base. What can we do? Yes, we will not use our algebra here. We will just do 22 divided by 2, which equals 11. Do I ever even expect you to write this out? No. I know you can do 22 divided by 2 equals 11. Just give me 11 or bubble it in when you see a standardized quiz. Now moving forward, what do we do? Yes, that's why I'm here. I will develop for you and create our little lesson with our sequence to solve. Always in the same color when it comes to solving these algebraic equations within geometry. Okay, our outside or our base is represented by, yes, x plus 28. So we're simply just going to set up. We're going to bring down the equals. I'm going to write down the 2. I'm going to open a parentheses, and what's on the inside, or our mid-segment? Yes, 2x plus 29. Boom, parentheses closed. Step 1 out of the way, now we just simply solve. Step 2 is to distribute. Well, can we distribute anything over here or combine like terms on the left side of our equation? No, so we're just going to rewrite the expression as x plus 28. Bring down the equals. Oh, we distribute. Yes, 2 times 2x gives us 4x. 2 times 29 gives us, the year my dad was born, 58. And from here, we will add or subtract the term with a variable. You can work right to left to right. In this case, I also like to work with, well, there's a term with a variable on the right side and a term on the variable on the left side. What I like to do is work with the one with least value. We'll steal that one from Petya. Thank you very little. All right, so 1 is less than 4. We will subtract 1x from both sides. X minus x, nobody home. Bring down your 28. Bring down your equals. 4x minus 1x gives us 3x. Bring down your plus 58. Sorry about that. Just switch colors on me. Then it says to add or subtract the constant. Well, we need to get 3x by itself. Well, let's subtract 58 from both sides. And we will get negative 30 equals 3x. Get rid of this. Last step is simply to divide by the coefficient or the number in front of the letter. Divide each side by 3. We get negative 10 equals x. Circle your answer. We do not need to plug in for these ones. But for 11 through 15 or 16, whatever it may be, we will have to plug in outside equals 2 times the inside, or base equals 2 times the mid-segment. We will write the equation. What's on the outside? What's representing that base? That base, the base. Negative 10 plus 2x. Bring down that equals. Bring down your 2. Open your parentheses. What's that mid-segment? Boom, 2x minus 17. Step 1, done. Let's go to deuce. Distribute. Negative 10 plus 2x. Can't do anything. Give me a rewrite. No big deal. Set it equal to, well, what's 2 times 2x? It is 4x. 2 times negative 17 is, yes, negative 34, the Walter Payton there. Then we will add or subtract term with variable. All right, well, what has less value, a 4 or a 2? Yes, a 2 does, so we will subtract 2x, not just from one side, but from both sides. Your negative 10, nothing below it, drop it on down. 2x minus 2x, nobody x left. 4x minus 2x, still just a couple of x. Bring down that negative Walter Payton at 34. Add or subtract the constant from both sides. We need to get 2x by itself. We're trying to isolate the 2x. And what's hanging out with it? Yes, it's negative 34. How do we get rid of a negative? It is with a positive, and what we do to one side, we will do to both sides. Negative 10 plus 34. Don't call it 2 baker's dozens, but how about 2 dozen? My favorite math game, yes, 24. Bring down your equals. Bring down your 2x, negative 34 plus 34. I'm officially out of the hole. All right, we will divide each side by the coefficient. So 24 divided by 2 gives us that dozen, equals x. Circle the first part of our answer, but we need to plug into the side. What side are we plugging into? Oh, ln? Sure, why not? Let's go ahead and plug it in. Do that right over here. Negative 10 plus 2 times, what's our x? 12. Close it, equals, should be 24 minus 10, should be 14 there. Go ahead and circle your answer. Call it a day. Use those 3 to rip the rest of these. Dominate, crush, destroy. Let's